is your baby brother. Look, Bobby. Can you see?
Yeah.
Oh, he's looking at you.
How much did he weigh? He looks. Oh, no.
You want to stand up and I'll hold him for you, and we can kind of pretend like you're holding him, kind of. I won't let go of him, though.
Yes, Bobby.
Oh, there he
Oh, Bobby, that's so sweet. Oh. So how much did he weigh?
7'2".
7'2". He looks big.
Wow.
I don't know why.
He's got a lot of blanket.
Oh.
How
about that, Bobby? You're a big sister now. That's a real baby.
Oh.
You got a cute one. You're
Yeah,
right.
you got a cute one.
He looks a little like you. Yeah. I see it. I do. All righty, we're going to take him into the nursery.